we are making blackberry refrigerator jam. This is fresh in season right now. This is a delicious treat that you can put on biscuits, on pancakes. So we've got about a pound of blackberries. And then just enough water to start cooking them down. I'm pressing them with a spoon. Berries are extremely high in antioxidants. This is probably going to take about 10 minutes total. You want to get the liquid nice and warm and smash the blackberries as much as possible with your spoon while you're cooking. Okay, now we've got our berries cooked down. Here's your option. You can press them through a strainer if you want to get the chunks out. I prefer my jam to have texture in it and to have pieces of berries, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. And then we're gonna add some lemon. Being careful to catch the seeds. This is gonna give it that tangy sweetness. I'm gonna add maybe a half of a honey bear. It's totally up to you how much extra sweetener you want in your jam. If your honey is crystallized like this, don't worry about it. It's still just as sweet. It's just harder to pour out of the container. Okay, I think it's good. So now we add the magic ingredient. This is the gelatin. This is what's going to make it come together. So 4 teaspoons. Actually, I'm going to stir. I don't want this to clump. Oh yeah, it's already starting to get thick. This is great. So this is going to thicken as soon as it starts to cool. Now is a great time to put it in your container, whatever container that you're going to use to put in your fridge. We have mason jars. Okay, so we have jarred our jam. Now we're going to cap it and put it in the refrigerator overnight.